Hi! Today we're going to be looking at my Joah box. I love the sleek, pretty feel of this black and silver box. It comes in a mailer like this, straight from Korea. Just like one other box that I have. So it's actually rare for the beauty boxes that I subscribe to come straight from Korea. And these are the only two. So let's see what's inside. Hey K-Beauty Bestie. Ready, set, shine. Unbox your Joah, take a picture, share, enjoy your best skin. So that's cool. I already do that anyway. They have the prettiest insert in my opinion. New Year wishes. New Year event. To help with your New Year resolutions, we tailored this event for you. So the steps and win. Skin consultation, a full personalized skincare routine, over 300. And then here's the information. How to enter the event. Which I guess only applies to you if you buy the box. Got a 12 of hearts. Rose sleeping mask. Noniban vitalizing cream. Candy Lab Cream Pop the Velvet Lip Color in Antisocial. Cool. I've got something carefully packaged here. Let's see what it is. I'm guessing it's an ambule. Camellia oil. Camellia oil. Very cool. And I just love the packaging on this sheet mask. Noji Modeling Mascara Chrysanthemum. Cool. Very cool. Alright, let's look at the insert. 100% Camellia oil by Selbon. Camellia has quickly become a go-to ingredient for Korean skin and hair care brands. So we're sharing it with you. Can be used on face, hair, and body. Rose Sleeping Mask by Calm Leaf. Very responsible brand, eco-friendly, cruelty-free. Rose Sleeping Mask is an ultra-hydrating mask. 75% rose water and real rose petals. Modeling Mask Serum Chrysanthemum. Soothing Essence, which contains natural chrysanthemum and phytosqualene. Moisturizers and soothes skin. The surface of this gold sheet mask acts like a barrier to allow the serum to penetrate deeply into skin. It tells you how to use it. And also, obviously, it can tell you how to use this one too. So Noni Bon by the Second Aid. This cream contains over 50% of noni extract and herb. Aid Complex 10 that helps skin effectively hydrate and moisturizes the skin and provides nutrients necessary for healthy skin. And then Cream Pop the Velvet Lip Color by Candy Lab. Lip Tint. Passes the eating and drinking test. Silky smooth and long lasting. The options were Warm Blood, Going Wild, and Antisocial. And I got Antisocial. So this is my Joah box. Very pretty. Some very nice items that I'm not super familiar with the brands. I have heard of the Camellia oil. I have to look it up. I hate not pronouncing things correctly, but here we are. And so I'm kind of excited to try that, although probably not on my face. I would like to try it on my hair or my cuticles to soften and moisturize. So we'll see how that goes. But that's it for this video. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any feedback, please let me know, or questions. I'm pretty responsive, so if you have a question or a comment, I will answer you, and if I don't know the answer, I will look it up. So please let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, thank you so much. Bye.